Good evening. I will be conducting a tour of the state capitol building of Melchizedek. I'm going to be starting with the smartest way to get there, which will be the BIOS Rapid Transit System, or BART. Or BIOS Rapid Transit for short. So this is a ticket hall, but more importantly, this is the first thing you'll see when you come in. This is our education floor. Most of the building is vacant as we have not had people move in yet. You're going to take the stairs. Here is our elevator. This is the elevators we use in Melchizedek province. This takes you downstairs into the professional floor. Most secret offices are kept here. This is level with the train station. And this is not offices, this is just an emergency exit for this floor. As you can see, it exits out into this jungle. Now let's go into the nicer part of the building. That will be the first floor. This is ground. Let's go up to first. As you see the lime and green terracotta. Open this up. Now we're here on the first floor. This is what our entrance look like. During the day, these doors will just be left open. Reception desks are supposed to be coming in soon. So over here, it's symmetrical at this level. This is the front facade of the building. I'm pretty sure you've seen it in the train video before. So here is the flag of the Republic of Melchizedek. And here is the United Mindville States flag. This is our Rotunda Dome. And I will show you inside the Rotunda next. And this is our flagpole. And it's all made out of complete gold. In here is our Rotunda. As you see some diamonds and you see gold at the very top of the structure. There are three different blocks that adorn the rotunda. This is pink terracotta, this is white terracotta, pillar block, and green. Why were these colors chosen together? To kind of match an appearance with the Melchizedek flag. This design here was designed to particularly make the doors look taller. They did not want designer doors. Most offices are vacant. And most offices do have reception areas because this is where most political offices will go and most head of political offices will go. Back into our stairs. So these are just closets. That's just why they don't have these over it, which is basically just a trap door to a piece of glass and the doors themselves. This is our courtroom. This is the entrance, the holding pen. In Melchizedek, we call these pens because this is the waiting area for if you have a case in federal or state court. And this is actually our congressional courtroom, so it's not used for civil cases, it's just used for lawmaking. So this will be our Senate. This is the House of Senate. Now, Melchizedek is partially Democratic, so we have far less senators and politicians than most states do that are around us. Here we only have approximately 15. As you see, the session is in because there are books on everybody's podium. Now we'll go upstairs and using our elevator and show you the big courtroom where federal cases are tried. This is another pen. And here is the House of Representatives. It's much smaller, but federal cases are tried here also, here at this state court. Beautiful ceiling tile, plenty of room for people to sit and watch. I will show you the upstairs part later. This is the clerk's office, the clerk of the court office. Clerk of the court liaison or assistant. This is the political library where all the legislature for Melchizedek is held in here. It does take up this many shelves. This is actually all of our legislation. This is my office. So through here is my bedroom. This is where I live. So this is my house. And this is my office. So if you're at home and you're acting up and I call you all the way down here, I will do that. And you will make the walk of shame right off this elevator, right down here into my office. Because this door right here is my office. And this is the Secretary of Railways. You should see railway stuff in here, but you don't yet. But this is the Secretary of Railway. To tell you the truth, rail is actually the single largest business in Melchizedek. Rail. This is the clerk, another office entrance to the courtroom. She will come in. This is the judge's office chamber through here and exit here, never having to make contact with anybody. And this is her entrance. Let's go to the third floor, the final floor. It's raining pretty hard outside. So again, this is the pen, and this is where the viewing platform. This is for guests, or if you have nothing to do with the case downstairs, or if you are not media, if you're not a part of the government, this is where you would watch. This is public. If you're part of the government, if you're part of media, you watch downstairs. If you are not, if you're a complete stranger, You go through this pen where all the flags, this wide open space, and you go down and you go out of the courtroom. All these rooms are empty, so no one has moved in yet. This is our cafeteria. Through there should be a kitchen somewhere, but this is our cafeteria. This is where people will come to eat. Who will be working in the government office buildings? Well, villagers. Yes, regular villagers will are actually expected to work here. It is not open yet because it does not have staff. So that is your tour of the Melchizedek government buildings. This is what it looks like around and around the side. Fun fact, where this building sit was complete jungle. So this jungle expanse continued all the way out to this little cutting area here where it was sand. And what happened was we literally had to cut these trees down. What we did was we essentially burned the trees. Yes, we burned the trees all the way down, and loads and loads of TNT were used in the making of this building. But now this building just looks marvelous. It's isolated though in the middle of nowhere, and nothing else is gonna get built here because it's in the middle of the jungle. I've heard of jungle cities and jungle villages, but this actually makes no sense because there's no village nearby, and you really are far away from a village. There is no village nearby, and this jungle, which is very hard to build in a jungle because you have loads and loads of tree to tear down. So this really is gonna be the only building here, but it's not even safe because the most mobs spawn in jungles. So safety and security is one of the biggest things. So with that being said, have a good day and may God bless you.